welcome in to a woolly review. We have the Emu Funfair Swirl DK with swirlies. Swirly, 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 swirly. I really should be wearing gloves to do this particular review, but I'm not. This is a Netting Network exclusive Emu-Soft, 150 grams, 450 meters, or 492 yards, 100% premium acrylic. And it's asking for 4mm. So we have Beanie helping us today, because she is our 4mm. And not that we're not judging the colour, but this is in the colour Teacups. Each colour is represented by a different fair ride name. So there we have our start. Now, I've got to be cautious with this because this is on loan. Someone has sent me this to do a review because I haven't done it before. And I do need to send it back, so I've got to be careful with it and only do a half swatch. This is £3.29, and if I remember rightly, it comes in 12 different combinations or colourings. I've got to say, this is a weird... I don't know how to describe this really. This is up close. It looks different to how it feels. I don't know how to really describe that. It looks like it'd be rougher than it is. It's not ultimate softness, definitely not. But it's okay. Oh. Okay. I'd be interested to see how the colour changes actually. Can I get to a bit where there's a colour change? Oh, because I won't get to it in the review. I just want to see what the colour change is like. Now, I know she has obviously unwound this previously, or she started a project and frogged it, because this isn't factory wound, this bit. This is all the same colour, so it's quite a long colour before a change. There we go, there's the change. Now, can you see that? Probably not, maybe. Maybe if I put it there. There you go, you can see that colour change there. So it's a very, and then it's the next colour. So that's interesting to know. Okay, it's not long colouring before the change. It is literally just a quick chop. Okay, so I've done one row of single crochets. I'm now going to do one row of half doubles. And we're not here to judge my crochet skills. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. But let's see what this does. That doesn't feel too bad, actually. Oh yeah, let's zoom out again a little bit. Sorry, I apologise. Oh, and if you're wondering, yes, we now have, until my podiversary, we have ladybirds. They look a little yarny. A little bit like they're knitted, but they are 3D printed. And they will have a black line down them. This particular set of 3 doesn't, specifically. But they come with a black line down them, so you've definitely got separate wings, as it were. But these guys, I have a post up about them. Channel merch until July. If you would like one or two, just email me and I'll let you know how much postage is, and then you can decide. And they come in almost any colour you would like. I mean, don't go overly specific, like olive green in spring, or light pale burgundy with a zhuzh of blue. Don't give me any of that, because, you know, the guy has limits, bless him. But if you say something like a royal blue or a pastel pink, or, you know, things like that, then we should be able to accommodate. A warm yellow, metallic blue. Some metallics are possible, but not all. Anyway, I'm just finishing off double crochets now. We're almost up to Mr. Froggy. I shouldn't have said that. We're almost up to Mr. Frog. There we go. That's better. Get in trouble with the wrong persons again. Okay, so thank you very much for your help, Beanie. Oh, sorry. That doesn't feel bad. That doesn't feel bad. It feels okay. Like I said before, it's not the softest thing in the world, but it's definitely not rough. It's not like, oh, that is so obviously so cheap and ugh. No, it's okay. Elasticity. Oh, there's loads. There is loads of elasticity in there. Okay. And so Mr. Frog is going for a walk. Going for a walk, going for a walk, going for a walk. But, you know, walking is too much effort, so sometimes we just need to hop on a moped. Kinkage. I'm quite surprised. There's not much kinkage there. Not much kinkage there at all. I'm very surprised. Now, kinkage basically means that you're overly stretching the fibres. And as with anything, fibres have a lifespan and don't like being stretched out. So when you go to frog a project, you are damaging the fibres because you've already manipulated them into a shape. Oh my gosh, I'm knotting her stuff. Oh geez. Let's do that. Oh dear. Did it sort it? Yes, it did. Thank goodness for that. I mean, there are some nice colourings on there. This is probably one of the paler ones because most of the colours out of the 12 are quite dark and bold. So you've got the purples, the greens, the yellows, the pinks, reds, purples. But this is one of the paler ones. But again, we're not here to judge this colour that I'm using. Let's put your little belt back on if we can. Oh my gosh. Spend 10 minutes trying to dress the yarn ball again. There, I was never in. I was never there. Okay, so let's put that there. Beanie, thank you very much. £3.29 currently, and all the details are going to be down below in the description, as well as the link to Knitting Network where you can actually get this. £3.29. How much is on here? I've forgotten again. £4.50. £3.29. I'll go straight to a 3. It could possibly be in my top 10. But I honestly think that's about as far as I'll go. That's only personally because I don't like variegated yarns like this. It has got an odd feel to it for how it looks. It's got an odd feel to it, which I can't explain. It's not overly soft. It is definitely not rough. There's a lot of elasticity there. It's fine for a wearable. It's just not overly my thing. I think it's slightly, a little bit too expensive for me. Slightly. I'm not overly keen on the colour combinations they have, personally speaking. Remember, this is my personal review. So I'm going to leave it as a Funfair 3. Emu Funfair, there's my review. If you've used it, let me know down below what you thought of it. And heck, if you would use it, let me know down below. And if you wouldn't, tell me why. Just leave a comment. And maybe next time we will do a review on something a little bit different next week. So there it is. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.